According to the data on the tablet, this section is hitting peak ripeness now.
The pink gradient on the petals is exceptionally strong here. Agreed.
All right, easy now, easy. Watch the side, watch the side. Clear the way, coming through. Look at the fluctuation on sector 3.
Okay, it's within tolerance, but let's monitor the temperature closely. The thickness is right on target, but the consistency seems a bit uneven here.
Yes, I see that. Let's monitor it for the next few meters.
straight back. Easy now.
Okay, you're good on this side.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance.
And pull back easy.
I'll take 2 packs of the blue ones right there.
Okay, that'll be $12.50.
Thank you. Here's your change. Have a nice day.
Here is your change and the pack. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Your total is $7.50. Thank you. That'll be $8.50. There you go. Thank you. Have a great day.
Our market penetration data shows a clear opportunity in the Southeast. We are currently tracking below the sales targets here.
Have we analyzed the impact of the recent campaign?
For Laneige, the matte finish conveys sophistication in the European market.
But the younger demographic still prefer.
I really like the matte finish on this yellow one.
But does it convey the premium feel we discussed?
It's a pleasure doing business with you. Likewise, we are excited to get started.
The reading is 84.02 millimeters, well within tolerance.
Length is 85.2 millimeters. Confirmed. Recording. Height 20G 2.5. Accepted. red ones right there.
I'll take the red ones right there. All right, here you go.
Your total comes to $12.50. Here you go. Keep the change.
That's $5.50.
Thank you.
Here's your change. Have a nice day.
The silver and blue palette really pops on the metallic finish.
The black and gold offers a stronger luxury feel for the Asian market.
I agree. Let's prioritize the gold.
If we shift the logo here, it aligns better with the rendering.
Let's see how the purple cylinder looks next to it.
The matte finish is definitely superior.
Look at that efficiency, running perfectly all day.